Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom bullet point in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, I have to open Microsoft Word and take some country name for do our work. Now I select the country name and go to home menu and select the bullet drop down menu, then select define new bullet and select symbol option. Now I select a symbol and click OK and OK. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.